Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today I want to share something raw, real, and arguably more valuable than any success story. The story of my startup failure. Yes, it failed, it hurt, but looking back, it might be the best thing that ever happened to me. Why? Because failure teases what success hides. The startup that failed. So let's rewind. A couple of years ago, I launched a startup. I was full of hope, energy, and ambition. The idea? A platform that aimed to simplify freelance hiring in emerging markets. We had a team, a website, a launch plan, and then nothing. No real traction, no user retention, and worst of all, I didn't want to admit it was failing. But eventually, we shut it down. Here's what I learned and what you can avoid. Don't fall in love with the idea. I was obsessed with the idea. I wanted to build it because I thought it was cool, not because the market needed it. Big mistake. I didn't validate it properly. I didn't interview enough users. I didn't build an MVP fast enough. I was building a product for myself, not for the customer. Takeaway: fall in love with the problem, not the solution. Talk to users early. We built before we listened. We spent weeks developing features users never asked for. When we finally started asking people, their problems were totally different from what we assumed. Takeaway: start with 10 to 15 deep interviews. Ask, what's your biggest headache? What do you wish existed? The team dynamic matters. I had two co-founders. One was great, the other, not so much. There were misalignments in vision, work ethic, and communication. Hard truth, a bad co-founder can kill momentum faster than anything else. Takeaway: choose people who complement your skills and who you trust completely. Revenue, vanity. We had a flashy site, nice branding, social media buzz, but almost no paying customers. Takeaway: early on, forget about followers and aesthetics. If people aren't willing to pay, you don't have a business. Know when to let go. We kept going for too long. We thought we could pivot, fix it, try something new. But the truth is, not every idea deserves to live. Takeaway: it's braver to walk away than to keep sinking time into a dead ship. What I did after shutting it down, I was crushed, but I also felt free. I used that time to 1. Reflect, 2. Upskill, 3. Start networking with smarter founders, 4. Work on small projects that didn't require big risk. Eventually, Startup Sparks was born, a place to share these lessons with people like you. Why I'm glad it failed. If it had succeeded, I would have built a company that didn't fulfill me. I would have ignored red flags. I wouldn't have learned these powerful lessons so early. Failure gave me clarity, grit, humility, focus, and that's something no MBA or YouTube course can teach. If you're building a startup right now and things feel shaky, ask yourself, are you listening to the market? Are you solving a real pain? Are you building the right team? And most importantly, are you willing to learn even if it doesn't work? Because whether you succeed or fail, if you grow from it, you still win. Thanks for watching Startup Sparks. If this hit home, please like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow founder. Let's normalize failure and turn it into fuel.